is looking for the next generation business leader.
Open enrollment is now underway for the School for Entrepreneurship and Technology. Audra Stafford is live in Sarah Mesa with how the students at SET are gearing up for a bright future. And just talking to you really early this morning, Audra, it sounds like there's some really great kids there.
Really, really great. Some of them are in the room with us right now. We are here in their robotics workshop. And these are a couple of members of the Roarbots, the all-female robotics team. We're going to be talking to them a little later in the morning as they get their robots all warmed up. But right now we're going to talk to Principal Neil McCurdy about the school, because this is kind of different from what else is going on in San Diego.
Yeah, so we're the School for Entrepreneurship and Technology, and so I think we're the first school, at least in San Diego, probably the first in the nation that marries entrepreneurship and technology. And so we think these are two essential 21st century skills that students need to acquire. And so, you know, I think technology is the obvious one. Entrepreneurship is kind of the new one, which is we think is really important for students to be able to learn how to market themselves and be able to live the American dream, starting a company.
And we were chatting just a few minutes ago before this, and you were saying that it's not just separate classes, like here's a class on entrepreneurship and here's a class on technology, but you really marry that into the regular subjects, math and English and all of that. It all kind of gets worked into the classroom.
Yeah, so we try really hard to bring entrepreneurship and technology into every class that we teach, and so a little bit later you're going to see a segment with students who created a Shark Tank project in their GovEcon class, so a traditional GovEcon class, but we try to bring the world of entrepreneurship, and we had the students actually pitching to live sharks and trying to get funding, and they managed to secure a patent attorney who's going to hopefully help them patent the product that they created. So
pretty cool. And then of course you've got the robotics, which is always fun and very educational, of course. And this is a school that is a public four-year charter high school, part of San Diego Unified. But you said that anywhere in the state, if you can get here, you can attend school here.
If you can helicopter in, then we're happy to have you. Yeah.
Pretty cool. And right now they're accepting applications. They only have about 40 spots left for starting in the fall semester. So if you're interested in this for your kids, you definitely want to sign up now. They're taking applications through March 1st, but again, those spots are filling up fast. I'll send it back to you.
Looks awesome. I noticed those rubber balls that are on the stands in the background. That's part of a science project, or because my sister's a teacher and they have up in Northern California, and the kids actually sit on those now for chairs. It's supposed to be better for their posture.
Those I've heard that too. These are not actually for sitting, though. These balls are actually part of the robotics.
Gotcha.
One of the challenges is to lift the balls off the ground and to set them up onto these stands. So we might get to see a little bit more of how they use all of that a little later in the morning.
Okay. All righty. Audra, we look forward to it. We'll see you again soon.